All right, guys. All right, I'm back. Yes, TF trading. Yes, here is the TF trading right here. TF right there. There's the Russell, right there. How do you handle choppy days like 916? The E-Mini 916, John? Is that what you want to see? Okay, I'll pull it up for you. Scott, if we use the ATR for our ATO target, should our stop be based on the ATR or should we still use the... No, it should be double the ATR. Okay, so you're giving the profit, Scott, or you're giving room for the market to work. All right? Because remember, typically, two candles could possibly get you your stop out if you use too tight of an average true range stop. Okay? Heather, may I ask a question, but it was not about the S line. Can I ask why chase the trade signal was not activated after the third candle on the E-Mini right here? Heather, why don't you Skype me afterwards, okay? And I'll go over it with you. Yes, Malcolm. We can do a Skype. It's not a problem, Malcolm. You want to talk to me one-on-one? Sure. You got it. So let's first take a look. My Skype is DayTradeToWin, by the way, Malcolm. You're welcome, Heather. DayTradeToWin. You know, I have a mentorship student now that's about to begin. So if you guys do contact me by Skype, let's do it in about an hour and a half. All right? He's in Australia. His name is Paul, and I'm going to start with him right now. So DayTradeToWin is my Skype ID, and those of you who want to contact me by Skype, how about we do it in about an hour or an hour and a half? That way I'll be done with Paul. He is at right now midnight, or I'm sorry, like 1 in the morning over there in Australia, and I don't want to take up. I want to be respectful to that. All right. So you guys want to Skype me in about an hour and a half when I'm done with him. And let's take a look at 916 before 916, I believe, was still the December contract. So let's go to 916. Yep. Okay, and you're looking at the choppy day of 916, right? Okay. Great question. Actually, I remember this day very, very clearly. Right? We have a big range, right? Who asked this question here? John. No, John Merrick, yes. We have a big range, right, John? Like this, right? Do you see what happened while we were in this range? Look how many orders to go short, short, short. These are all bounce trades, short, short, short. See that? Not one long trade. All of them are short. As soon as price hit the Atlas line, it acted as resistance, right, John? So the Atlas line kept you the entire day short, right? Until, look at that, price crossed above. Now, we did have a long here that did not work, right? And then we started getting all bounce longs, and finally we had a long price cross the Atlas line. You see that? But initially, this chop that was here, John, it never gave you long, short, long, short. It was always short. As soon as it touched the Atlas line, it gave you a signal to go short based on it hitting resistance. Okay? Excellent. Good question. Very good question. All right, guys. I want everyone to have a good week. I'm available by Skype at DayTradeToWin, or email is support@daytradetowin.com. If you would like to contact me, I'd be happy to answer your questions about the Atlas line or the ATO. I have a lot of emails. I get a lot of emails. I talk to a lot of people on a daily basis, so please be patient if I don't respond right away. It's only because I can't do it right away, or else I would. All right? Carl, the cost of the Atlas line is on the website. It's a lifetime membership for $1,800, and I'm offering a 10% discount as well. So if you're interested, I'll give you 10% discount. And there's also a 6-month license, which is $600, which is less than $100 a month for the Atlas line for a 6-month subscription. Okay? So those are the costs, and I'll give 10% off to everyone who joins or clicks the like button there for Facebook. All right? The Facebook, again, is here. Okay? And I'll give you 10% off there. You get to find the coupon codes there. And if you have any questions, please email. I'll be happy to contact you, okay? Or happy to talk to you, all right? Have a great rest of the week, and I will do webinars more often, okay? Yes, John, the Atlas line includes the Atlas line. It includes the signals. It includes a one-on-one webinar with me for setup. So whoever purchases the Atlas line gets the software for NinjaTrader, TradeStation, or eSignal, and a one-on-one webinar and a consultation with me. All right, John?